As we age, it becomes increasingly important to stay active and maintain our physical health. One way to do this is by incorporating workout routines specifically designed for seniors into our daily lives. These routines are tailored to the needs and abilities of older adults, focusing on improving strength, flexibility, balance, and overall well-being. One common workout routine for seniors is chair exercises. These exercises are perfect for those with limited mobility or balance issues, as they can be done while seated in a sturdy chair. Chair exercises often include movements such as leg lifts, arm curls, and seated marches, all of which help to improve muscle strength and flexibility. Another popular workout routine for seniors is water aerobics. Exercising in water is gentle on the joints and can help improve cardiovascular health, muscle tone, and flexibility. Water aerobics classes are often offered at local pools or community centers and are a fun way to stay active while socializing with others. Yoga is also a great workout option for seniors as it focuses on gentle stretching, breathing, and relaxation techniques. Yoga can help improve balance, flexibility, and mental well-being, making it an ideal exercise for older adults looking to stay active and reduce stress. Strength training is another important component of a senior workout routine. By incorporating exercises that target major muscle groups, such as squats, lunges, and bicep curls, seniors can improve their overall strength and reduce the risk of falls and injuries. Walking is a simple yet effective workout routine for seniors. Walking can be done at a pace that is comfortable for each individual and can be easily incorporated into daily activities, such as walking to the store or around the neighborhood. Regular walking can help improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, and boost mood and energy levels. Incorporating a variety of workout routines into a senior's daily life can help improve overall health and well-being. Whether it's chair exercises, water aerobics, yoga, strength training, or walking, staying active is essential for maintaining physical and mental health as we age. By finding a routine that works best for them, seniors can enjoy the benefits of regular exercise and live a healthier, more active lifestyle.